how to remove the A-pillar trim from your Chevy Impala. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. So you're just going to want to take a pry tool, pry it out at the top, and then you can pull it out the rest of the way. There's a rubber clip right here that you need to release before you can take off the A-pillar. So I'm going to take out this rubber piece right here, and then it should come right off. The installation process is the same as removal. Just make sure that you take this rubber piece right here and you snap it back in before you put it back into place. Get the bottom of the A-pillar trim into position before you install the rubber clip. And after that, you can go ahead and snap it into place. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.